This segment of Bridge Street is sponsored by Victory in Motion.
When one retires, they hope they will be able to enjoy the free time, although sometimes people are even busier than ever. But what if their body is so beat up after decades of work that they're maybe not able to do so?
That is where our friends from Victory in Motion can help. Joining us this morning to provide more details, we have Dr. Marc Pietropaoli, Jordan Reynolds, and Marcia Redmond. We appreciate you stopping by Bridge Street.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Dr. P, we're going to begin with you. Tell us about Victory in Motion and its mission.
Well, my stomach's growling from that last segment, so if you hear anything out there, it's probably what it is. Yeah, no, I'm the president and CEO of Victory in Motion, which is the home of knee repair, not knee replacement. This is Jordan Reynolds, our physician associate. We have Marcia here. And knee repair, not knee replacement is a trademark program that I developed over the last 33 years that uses regenerative medicine, which is using your own body's ability to heal itself to help relieve pain, restore and optimize function, and help you achieve all the goals that you want to achieve, like walking your dog or avoiding a knee replacement 85 to 95% of the time with a 93% satisfaction rate. So that's kind of where we start at.
Marcia, how has this helped you?
Oh, this has made a huge change in my life. I was on vacation in February with my family. My knee was just so painful. I couldn't even walk on the beach. It was awful. I knew I had to do something.
Yeah.
And I very fortunately have a granddaughter who is a medical student, and she shadowed Dr. Pietropaoli. She saw the procedure. She came home and she was all excited. She said, "This is for you." And that was probably the first part of March. End of March, I had the procedure done.
Jordan, going under the knife is like such a popular thing. You hear so many people that go through it at some point in their life, but why is this a better option for some?
Yeah, I mean, well, you just said it. You don't have to go under the knife, right?
Yeah.
So the goal here is we want to develop a customized program for each person that doesn't require you to go under the knife, using in-office procedures that use your body's own cells to help you heal is really the most minimally invasive way we can do this possible. And Marcia's a living testament of somebody who has done extremely well from this right here. And most important thing is when somebody comes into our office, we have to understand what's going on with them, right? What is best for Marcia might not be best for somebody else. So we always start with everyone with what we call our clarity day, which is our initial appointment, where somebody will come in, we'll get all the imaging done. They'll get a total body evaluation over with our VFit department. So they're gonna look head to toe. How is it affecting your knee, your shoulder, whatever the body part is that's ailing you. And then from there, we can come up with a comprehensive plan that's gonna get you to reach your goals.
If someone is at home watching this and they're like, I don't know, my knee's been acting up on me, what are some of the first steps that they should do if they think that this might be fit for them, doctor?
You can call us at 315-685-7544, but usually people ask me, like, my knee's bothering me, when's it a problem? And usually, if you're exercising or doing something and it bothers you for a day or two, that's pretty normal, right? Normal soreness. But if it goes on for more than 3 or 4 days and then it starts getting worse, and then it's going on for a week or 2 weeks, I wouldn't wait, because there are things that can happen, these stress microfractures in the bone, that when people get them, they're 9 times more likely to go on to need a knee replacement. But it's a really actually easy fix to use your own body's cells to help that heal. And if we get to it early enough, we can prevent people from needing a knee replacement.
Yeah, I mean, both of our dads have gone under the knife and had knee replaced. Yeah, so we've been on the caregiver side of things. So it's really great to stay ahead of things.
You would recommend this for other people, Marcia?
Absolutely. I had the procedure done, got up, walked to my car.
There you go. There's a testament for you. You can learn more about the home of knee repair, not replacement, by heading to victoryinmotion.com. This segment has been sponsored by Victory in Motion.